Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Siphethe D55 unjani bhuti?
Ngimnandi njalo nankavi yami.
Ngimnandi 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Ibone kanjani game?
Mfowethu ngijabule kabi mfowethu. Orlando Pirates yasijabulisa Brian. Never tisifile. Sesivuke ngabo namuhla. Baphi bona ngibaboni.
Abekho.
Never lokukhulu kakhulu. But hayi Pirates iwile. My brother, I think congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to the coach and the players. Namuhla abafana basikhombisile ukuthi what is Orlando Pirates made of. Yangithola. I-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabona le emblem yabo le eKapa le.
Yeah.
Up until lamajita ngisho bona khona manje bahlele so back to back.
Sure.
Up until lamajita abhekana so angeke bazifayidli Orlando Pirates.
Angeke nami ngiyavuma. So today njengoba mesizile la sithi sobukela iderby, do you think it was a derby like match le?
My brother, it was a derby match. You can't infunana. Oh, must win, it's a problem. Funa ukwenza kufuna ama-draw. Awu my brother. It's a derby match. And then i-team enkulu best iwinile namuhla. Nawe nebazimisele ukuthi baze bazodlala nathi. There is no way ukuthi ngizwa abantu abaningi bathi it's a mixed fixing and everything. Ayikho into enjalo ku-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs mfowethu. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuwina, wonke umuntu ufuna ama-points. If it's a mixed fixing, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bona i-league abasayifuni. Yangithola. Thina asifuna ama-favoritism, asifuna i-favoritism from umuntu. Siyaziwinela. Yangithola masiluzile masidrawile asifuni ama-favors from abantwini namuhla sizile e-NFB sizobukela iderby sizofuna i-3 point and sithethe khona manje uma ungagugula wakhipha ifoni ubheke ukuthi ubani ahlele ku-number 1
Yithi
Orlando Pirates.
Mesikhala from the last 2 games ngocoach ukuthi like since isidliwa mesesiluze ne-hope. What do you think uyenze right namhlanje?
I think sometimes kwenzakala mfowethu, you win some, you lose some, yangithola. And then the impatience yethu yama-supporters sometimes sinokulahlela ithawela. But if you understand the football mfowethu, i-football ayina therefore. Yabona abo-Chris Stars nabo basikhiphile, Sundowns sizile, sathi sayibamba, isishayile, hard luck, yangithola. Namuhla i-first 11 la ifakile. Mangathi uyachecka wonke ama-player lawa, yile ama-player esiwaziyo e-Orlando Pirates, yangithola. And then asahali ukuthi amanye ama-players nganawo wafaka mara qala ngale scheme lesi sisaziyo best scheme and labanye uzawakhipha ufake. So today I'm very happy ngama-substitution they wawenze ngakhona good, everything went smoothly. We were supposed to score 5 goals. Basiropha igoli lakamfukeng. They robbed us a goal lakamfukeng. It was supposed to be a goal. Sithule noSivisi sekaphambili. Unfortunately uwile adlule ukora but angesimblame insimbi. Ujwayele ukube move yangithola. I-Kaizer Chiefs akuna ukuthi ngashaya Orlando Pirates because of mongathi yabheka style of play yabo abasana identity. Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have identity anymore. Abasazi ukuthi benza badlala ibhola because bayadlala but abasana style of play. Mangathi yabheka noma ungathuli ifene Kaizer Chiefs umbuzo ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs idlala liphi ibhola. Abazi ukuthi badlala banodlala nje ibhola because ibhola liyadlaliwa. So up until bafixa izinto zabo zibe right, maybe we can start to talk something, but kwamanje basana ama-problems amaningi mfethu. Bahluleka nokukora, bakora igoli eli-1, bakora igoli bafila ngama-1 abana ne-backup. Yeah, ama-coach wabo lawa ithula ama-translator awana backup. Yangithola abana plan B kuthi baya ne-plan A. Plan A yabhala so ukuthi kubhala abana nama-substitution wabo nje banokhipha bafaka kuthi le kuhlangahlangene but thina sajabula sama-Orlando Pirates ngento esiyivunile namuhla. Sibashaya 3-0 fair and square, akuna penalty, akuna into bathi offside, bona sebashaya fair and square. Yangithola sure mfowethu.
Fair and square Pakania. Man of the match yakho mekubani today?
Man of the match wami ngifo uMakhehleni Makhawula mfowethu. Yeah, for mina hayi lensizwa esebenzayo.
Cash.
Yeah, cash content umuntu ukuthi makalibamba mfowethu uyambona control everything, defensive nokuya phambili, midfield ukuthi yonke into nje ibhola akudluli lapha kuye apha. Uyapheka, uyadisha kamnandi. A little bit worried ngalentwana yethu uMbule. I don't know what's going on. Mbule ngiyacela boy la ukhona cela ukuthi ubuyele interview lena mfowethu, we love you. Cela ukuthi ubuye mfowethu, whatever is happening ecampini and everything angizingeni mara ngiyacela Brian, cela ukuthi ube umjita sakuthanda be patient, whatever is happening. Angifuni ukuzingena kakhulu, but we love you. You know ukuthi kwenzakalani. Coach Mbule, management, ngicela ukuthi ngicela nilungiseni sithandaneni sibe into one njengoba uMr Ivan Khoza akhuluma ukuthi riswarane nkamatso. So man of the match wami mfethu ngipha uMakhehleni Makhawula, and into engathanda ukuyisho masinya before ngizoqeda interview. Ngibonga isupport yamabhakaniya. The way abantu abavuzela abaphuma from good, far away from laba phuma khona. Bakhona ukuthi bazosupport iOrlando Pirates, but I'm a little bit disappointed nje kuphela nge management amatikiti esinenkinga prime. Sithenga amatikiti kanzima. Mafanele ukuthi singene lana amatikiti abasebe imishini le yabo le ayispan yabona. Cela ukuthi next time bangalungisa ngale besithenga kuma ticket. So open ticket imnandi. Mara le my ticket lena ngegame Sundowns besla bene problem ukuthi singene ngathi sifikile lana sifika early siphushana nama-gate sidodlo ingena fanele ukuthi usuke lana uye wenzeni. So ngicela i-management ukuthi u-FNB usibhekele sibe right. It's better ibhola salithanda bopha phakashiya bopha umuntu omnyama once and always ezimnyama ngenkane zegaphula umhlaba kamasipala azawubhekisa phansi azawubhekisa phezulu. Thank you Pakania.
Uncle, once and always. Last question Pakania.
Right.
Do you think you still stand a chance to win this league?
My brother, we don't stand a chance.
Yeah.
No, we don't stand a chance. The league is ours. It's actually a secret ongalazi.
Sure.
Ngizwile ileague yabona trophy.
Sure.
Sekhona.
Arena.
No, yeah, ikhona le arena ihleli.
Yeah.
Khona manje banohambisa isikhathi nje kuphela ku yangithola. So we don't stand a chance.
Sure.
The league is ours. Ileague silithethe, silivalele. Khona manje nje sinodlala nje because of the sake of ukuthi sidlale. Yabona. So don't worry, wonke amabhakani yakhona ileague yethu. Imamelodi Sundowns sizonotshintshana nje kuphela ngokuya phansi naphezulu mara okusalayo ileague Orlando Pirates.
You've heard it Pakania from D55. League Orlando Pirates. Bopha!
Oh, from Kupjala.
Danko.
Danko.